In today's video, I'm going to show you a fail-proof affiliate marketing strategy that will pay you around $2.40 for every single click. Using this method, you can get paid a couple of dollars for every single click that you're going to get, all the way up to a couple $100 per day. Now, this is going to work for you anywhere in the world. It's completely free. You don't have to have any skills or any experience for it to work. And the best part about this method is, once you set this up, it's going to be making you money for the next couple of months. So if you're going to follow this video from beginning to the end, then just go ahead and set this method up yourself. You can completely forget about it, and for the next 6 to 9 months, it's going to be making you money on complete autopilot. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and to never miss out on any of my future uploads, just make sure to hit the notification bell as well. And also guys, my one-on-one coaching program is live. So if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or YouTube channel, just check out the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you there. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to clickbank.com. We are going to grab an affiliate offer from ClickBank. So first of all, you need to grab yourself a free account if you've never been to ClickBank before. Otherwise, just log into your trusty ClickBank account that you've been using previously. And once you log into your account, you want to go to the affiliate marketplace and go into e-business and e-marketing section. We are going to look for a specific offer that I want you to use with this method, because pretty much what you want to use is an affiliate offer that's going to be paying you around $100 for each conversion, and I highly recommend that you go with this one. Paid online writing jobs. Get paid to do simple writing jobs online. As you can see right here, this affiliate offer has over 200 gravity, which is pretty much high converting offer. So once you're going to get traffic to the sales page, there's a very high chance you're going to actually get some sales, and because you're going to get paid around $100 for each of these conversions, over time you're looking at a pretty nice payday. Now pretty much just go ahead and click on the promote button and grab yourself your affiliate link. Pretty much all you need to do is just fill in your ClickBank nickname, and in my case is this one right here. Then I'm just going to click on create a hop link, get your affiliate link and save it into a notepad, just like that. And pretty much you don't want to be closing ClickBank yet, because we are going to be needing the affiliate page of the product. If you want, you can open the affiliate page right now and just scroll through it real quick, but we will return to this a little bit later. What you want to do now is just go to this website right here that's called ogads.com. We are going to be using this content locking network to actually make sure we are going to be making money of every click that's going to be landing on a sales page. And this is pretty much one of the most powerful affiliate marketing strategies, because you're going to be paid for clicks, just a couple of dollars for every click. But once somebody's going to make purchase, you will be paid $100 for each of these conversions. So pretty much to do that, what you want to do is sign up for your free account. And it's pretty standard sign up process. All you need to do is just fill in your username, fill in your email, choose a password for this account, then just fill in a bunch of these personal details right here. And then pretty much the important step, what you want to do is make sure that you're going to fill out honestly each of these questions. For example, how did you hear about OG ads? If you'll be so kind, you can just go ahead and type in that you have heard about OG ads on my YouTube channel, and then also go ahead and explain why you want to work with OG ads. Then just make sure that you answer all these questions honestly too. If you've been doing CPA for less than 6 months, make sure to use less than 6 months. If you're made under $100 with CPA marketing, make sure to select $100 or less and fill in rest of these fields just as well, and then click on next step and finish your registration process, and then you will have to wait for your account to get approved. Pretty much what I recommend is go ahead and do this right now after you finish watching this video, because that way you can get your account approved that much faster. Once it gets approved, what you want to do is go to login and log into your account. Once you log into your account, you want to go to tools and click on content lockers. Then just click on create a content locker. Then just go ahead and name it something. For example, let's say get paid for writing, something like that. This is just for your own reference. You can pretty much name it anything that you want, but the important part is you just go all the way down here, and in this unlock action, you want to make sure that you're going to select redirect to another URL, and then just copy your affiliate link and paste it into this field where it says redirect URL. Pretty much this is going to work like a human verification system, that when somebody is going to click on the link to go to the sales page of the product, they will have to complete one of these offers to be able to get to the content locker. Now, one of the reasons why I recommend using OG ads for this, and the entire difference between OG ads and CPA grip, for example, if you don't want to be using OG ads, you can just go ahead and use CPA grip for this as well. But on OG ads, what you can do is just go to these advanced options, and you can select the range of the offers that's going to be presented. For example, on CPA grip, you you don't have control over. It's okay, you can get paid to like $1, $2, or just a couple of cents for each completion of the content locker. But here on OG Ads, what you can do is just simply select the threshold of the offers that are going to be presented. So for example, if I'm going to put in $5, each of these offers in the content locker are going to be paying you more than $5 for each completion. Pretty much you can select a price that you're comfortable with. You can go as low as a couple of cents, but I highly recommend that you use a couple of dollars instead, because with the traffic source I'm going to give you, you will get literally tons of traffic to this link, and that way if you're not going to be making any sales, you will make some money of this traffic going to the sales page. So pretty much once you select the payout threshold you're comfortable with, you just want to go down here and click on create a locker, and your content locker gets created right here in this section. Pretty much all you need to do now is just make sure you click on actions and you click on view details, and you get displayed all these details of the content locker. Now pretty much what I highly recommend to do is go to this choose a domain section, and you want to choose different domain, because it's going to give you random domain out of one of these. Pretty much I recommend that you go for something like contentlocked.net, so it's going to seem like a genuine content locker, and then just go ahead and copy this link to the content locker, because all you need to do now to make money with this is just use the right traffic source for this link, so you will get targeted traffic to your affiliate link, people who are actually interested in paid online writing jobs. And now I'm going to give you one of the best sources of traffic that I used myself when I was just first starting out. So what you want to do is just go to this website that's called classifiedads.com. This is like a US advertisement site that's being used to promote anything and everything from items to sell to arranging meetings, pets, houses, apartments, vehicles, services, real estate, and last but not least, jobs. Because this website is also used to advertise work offers, this is one of the best sources of traffic for affiliate offer that's promoting a work offer. Now pretty much if you go to classified ads and check it out using SimilarWeb, now if you check this website out using the SimilarWeb extension, you can see right here that this website is getting over 600,000 views every single month, and most of them are coming from United States. Almost half of them are from United States, which is a tier 1 country for affiliate offers, so you will be getting quality traffic to your content locked affiliate link, and that way you have the highest possible chance to make some money with this. Now pretty much what you want to do is just post an ad on classified ads using this button that says post an ad for free, and all you need to do now is just select a category. So for that we are going with jobs, and the subcategory should be something like creative jobs, because actually writing for a living online is a creating job because you're creating something. And now comes the important part. You need to select a location in United States where you want this ad to be posted. Now pretty much if you are from the US, you may be familiar with some areas that you can use for this to post, but even if you for some reason don't want to use areas that you know, or you are not from United States and have zero knowledge of zip codes or cities in the US, what you can do to actually bypass this is go to Google and you want to search for this website that's called bestrandoms.com. Just hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website, and this is like a website that's going to list you a random United States address and all the details that you may need to post an ad on classified ads. So pretty much what you want to do here is just make sure to select a state that you want to advertise this in. For example, let's go with Maine for this one. Just select state that you want. You can leave the city blank. It's going to give you random cities, and then pretty much what you want to do is just click on generate down here, and you get created 9 of these random addresses in Maine, USA. All you need to do now is just copy the zip code of the address that gets generated, post it into the classified ads, and it's going to give you the option to create the body of the advertisement. To do that, what you want to do is just go to the affiliate page and go to this email swipes section. Just go to email swipes and pick an email swipe that you may want to use for this. For example, let's check out number 4 this time, and you can see it's something like this: earn money writing, apply now. So pretty much all you want to do is just copy the header from the email swipe and paste it into the ad title. Then into this compensation field, you want to write something like in text, so they will know they have to look for compensation in the body of the text, and then just go to the email swipes and copy this entire body of the email. So just copy that and paste it into this field, just like that. And then pretty much the important part is this sentence right here. All you have to do is click this link and complete your application. What you want to do is highlight that, go to this upper toolbar, click on this link button, and this is the place where you want to paste the link from OG Ads. That's the content locker. for the sales page. So just head back to OG Ads, copy the link, paste it into the URL field, click on OK, just like that, and that way this is going to become a clickable button. Then pretty much what you want to do is just make sure to fill in the rest of these fields. For example, for the phone number, you can use the exact same phone number that you get generated on Best Randoms, just paste it there just like that. And for these two fields, use the same details that you get generated on Best Randoms as well. Then pretty much what you want to do to make sure that this is going to be making money for you in the future as well is make sure to select this expires into the highest amount of possible, which is 9 months on classified ads. So pretty much this ad is going to stay on this website for 9 months, and every time somebody is going to click on it, you will get paid 2 ways. First way is because you used a content locker to lock your affiliate link, and once they get to the sales page and make a purchase, you will get paid your affiliate commission. So pretty much make sure to select expires in 9 months. Then to complete this advertisement, you want to fill in this captcha. So for example, this time is 9W7S9. I'm just guessing, we will see in a couple of seconds. And one of the best ways to make sure that this ad is going to be enticing is to select a right banner. Now pretty much all you need to do is just go back to the affiliate page, and you want to go to this section where it says banners, and make sure to download one of these banners that you want to use to promote this. So pretty much I like, for some reason, this one with the orange box at the bottom, so I'm just going to download this to my computer, and you get all these banners pre-made, done for you, just in a couple of clicks. So pretty much what you want to do is just select one of these that you want to use to promote this, and it's this one right here that's called image number 4. So I'm just going to go back to classified ads, click on choose file, then upload the image as a banner for this ad, and all you need to do now is just post this ad. And it's going to look something like this. You've got your banner, you've got your content locker right here, and once somebody's going to try to apply for this, they will click on this link, they will be taken to the content locker, they will complete one of these offers, they will be taken to the sales page, and even if they are not going to purchase anything from the sales page, you have already gotten money because they have completed this content locker. Now pretty much what you want to do to make the most amount of money using this method is just make sure to post this into as many of these addresses as you possibly can. You can use all of these right here that get generated for you, and once you run out of these, what you can do is just pretty much just go up here and select another state that you want to be generating addresses for. Now this is going to actually take some time to set up right, but once you're going to do that, it's going to be out there for 9 months, and it's going to be making you money on complete autopilot. So for each of these ads that you're going to post in each of these states, you can make hundreds of dollars in the future. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. This is how you can make money fail-proof way with affiliate marketing. Now if you enjoyed this method, just make sure to go out there, put it to work for yourself, and once you make some money with it, return to this video, and down in the comments do let me know how much money you have made using this. Now if you want to learn the exact method that I'm using myself to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing, just go to the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you there. Now if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.